3 rounds. Yeah. What do you think the process? Is it good? The way they tested and everything? Did you participate in this type before?
Has anybody participated in Jeopardy before?
This is the first time? What do you think? So the reason why I'm thinking is whether Jeopardy or something first year onwards, instead of, can I talk?
Yes, sir.
Instead of your teacher teaches you, you have an app. First year you join, you have anatomy, physiology app, all the lectures. So you'll have exam after one, whatever it is. So these kind of discussions, anatomy, physiology chapters, what do you think about that concept?
How many of you are using apps like Mad and Bakia?
Everybody using apps, right? So what about NMC or MC, whatever it is, they give the official apps, whichever apps. So nobody.
Suggesting that like a single lecture for all country students, like sir,
Not like all lectures, Indian made standard which are acceptable. So some kind of lectures come in rather than. How do you compare your lectures with your app lectures, your college lectures? Which is better? App lectures better. So the teacher will be the one who conduct like this and discusses the platform. That's what the format we're expecting. You prefer that way? Yeah, that's proven. That's what we'd like to know and then implement the drastic changes need to come. And good luck. Thank you.
please kindly ask now only.
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, all the attendees and the contestants. Welcome to the Medical Jeopardy at the 15th Global Health Summit by AAPI. First off, I would like to congratulate each and every one of you to get here. It takes a lot of effort and courage and grit. So congratulations to each and every one of you. We are your hosts. I'm Harsha Lakshmi Tirunagari, pediatrician, and this is Dr. Leena Gupta.
Hello, good morning, everyone. Go ahead with that, please.
So the categories, as you are all familiar, and I will just quickly run through it, we have 4 different Jeopardy games, each for each of the years, the first year, second year, third year, fourth year, MBBS students. Each game is separate and will take place one after the other, starting with the first year, second, third, and the fourth years. Prizes will be awarded separately for each game. Each game will have 5 individual contestants, or Tarun just told me that there are 4 in one. So each game will have 3 rounds: single Jeopardy, double Jeopardy, and final Jeopardy. We will start off with a sample round. So you are familiar and we are familiar with all of you. Good luck to each and every one of you.
I'm going to read the names of the contestants. The following are the names. For first year, it's Mahesh, Hira K. Ganesh, Pankaj from Delhi, Abhay from Delhi. Second year are Debayan Banerjee from Mumbai, Emima Gracia from Chennai, Amy Ambike from Mumbai, and Prashant Saraf from Mumbai. For third year, we have Subhash Kumar from Chennai, Shivadeep Batabayal, from New Delhi, Durga Pratap Singh from Bhagalpur, and Devesh Dharma Rajan from Mumbai, Aniket Bose from West Bengal. For fourth year MBBS student, we have Shagun Batra from New Delhi, Aman Seth from New Delhi, Jatin Tukral from Patiala, Harbor Kaur from Patiala, and P. Prem Tilak from Ahmedabad. Congratulations to all of you and best of luck. Does anyone have any questions right now? All right, we'll begin with our sample rounds.
with the first category and the points. Alphabet for 100. The buzzer, please. And Satvik will let us know who's first. We started the sample round. So instructions for the buzzer. As soon as the host gives the prompt, Satvik will start the buzzer.
Contestants, I'm Dr. Anupama. I'm president of AAPI, and wish you all best of luck. And you have come this far. That's a great achievement, and hopefully everybody's a winner. Okay. By the way, everybody's a winner. It's just a little bit difference, but you're all the winners already. Congratulations ahead of time. Let's start the game now. We are all ready to go. So all the questions answered for you all? Do you still have any questions? Okay, all right.
My young friends and students, and this has become a tradition for AAPI to do Medical Jeopardy. It was a phenomenally successful event last time we did it here. So we're looking forward to your enthusiastic participation again. And I'll be doing a Global Health Summit in Visakhapatnam next year in January. Please join there, and we'll have even bigger event because we'll be free of COVID by that time. Good luck and have fun.
Thank you.
The alphabet. So Satvik, please hit the buzzer.
It's not working. Green color. Don't press right now. Just let me know. Did everybody get the green color symbol on your phone?
Good. So the question, this letter is the first in the alphabet. Go ahead,
Start. Imima.
Okay, tell us your answer. Center of a circle is this multiple of the radius.
Are you here? Yes. Immediately, me telling the person's name, please answer immediately. Okay?
100. 4 plus 3. Buzzer, please. All in the audience, like who is not on the stage, log off, please. Correct. So that was team 2. So you gain 200 points. So few more questions. Category and points. We're just doing samples. Sites. You can answer. Time? Oh, you didn't start.
Hemant, right? You want to sit down? You can sit down by us.
Team 4, pass.
The buzzer ended. 4. Team 4. Numbers for
100.
100?
Speak up a lot.
4 plus 3. Oh, one more very important rule, Jeopardy rule. Your answer should be in the format of a question. What is, who are, yeah. Okay. Points? Numbers for 200. 25 plus 26.
It was perfect. Now we are good to go.
Team 4, answer please. That is correct. It is working.
Yes, ma'am. We are good to go, ma'am.
Let's go. So
already
team 4,
specimens.
yes, building. So in the bodybuilding, you will name the muscle. So team 1, pick a category and points. And this is the actual Jeopardy we have started. This enzyme is the rate-limiting step of glycolysis. Answer?
What is PFK1? Phosphofructokinase. What is phosphofructokinase 1?
That is correct. $200. Team 1 gets, 1 second. Team 1 category and points.
It's same category or
Your choice.
metabolic pathway 0.100.
This metabolic pathway is responsible for the breakdown of glucose. Buzzer. Hold on, don't press anything.
What is glycolysis?
That is correct. What is glycolysis? And that is team 4. Team 3. Okay, you can put team 3. Mouse is easier. Team 3 gets 100. So team 3 gets to choose now. 1 second. Okay. Team 2 is changing phones as we speak. 3, you may choose.
Metabolic pathway 400.
The pentose phosphate pathway occurs in this cellular structure.
What is cytoplasm?
Is that your, yeah, okay.
What is the cytosol? Both are same.
We'll grant that, right. So team 2 gets 400 points. Team 2, please choose category and points.
Metabolic pathway is 500.
This substance inhibits complex 1 of the electron transport chain.
What is amobarbitol?
Please repeat.
Amobarbitols. There are.
Repeat again.
What is barbitol? Barbiturates something.
Okay. That is wrong. So we will minus 500 for team 4. So who was the previous category team that answered correct? So you may choose now, 1 second. You may choose the category and points.
Amino acid in the making 400.
These 2 nucleotides are pyrimidines. Team 4?
Thymidine and cytosine. What is thymidine and cytosine?
What are cytosine and thymine? That is correct. We'll add the points, 400 for team 4. Team 4, please choose.
I'm going to sit for 5.
Oh, yeah, yeah, sure. Absolutely. These are the 3 stop codons.
What is UAA, UGA, and UAG?
You are absolutely correct. Team 4 gets 500. So at this point, give us a moment. We'll add these scores to the double jeopardy. Team 1, 200. Team 2, 1,000. Team 3, 1,100. Team 4, 2,700. Team 1, 200. Team 2, 1,000. Team 3, 1,100. And Team 4, 27. Okay, and it is displaying there. Okay. Can we move on? Teams ready? Okay, let's start with team 1. You may choose a category and points. Taking vitamins for 400. This disorder results from vitamin D deficiency in children.
What is rickets? Rickets होता है ना?
That is the right answer. Team 4 gets 400 points. Team 4, please choose a category and points.
Vitamins for 200.
Sorry, repeat that.
Vitamins for 200.
This vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid.
What is vitamin C?
That is the right answer. Team 1 gets. You get to choose again.
Vitamins for 600.
Oh, I'm sorry. A second. Go ahead. Pick now.
Vitamins for 600.
This is the other name for vitamin A.
I got it. What is retinal?
Repeat that answer.
What is retinal? There are 3 forms. So, retinol, retinoic acid. All are different forms of vitamin A.
We'll grant the points.
Okay.
So team 2 gets 600. Team 2, please pick a category and points.
Are you taking your vitamins? 800.
Beriberi disease. So beriberi disease is caused by this deficiency.
What is vitamin B?
What is vitamin?
B.
B as in ball?
Bowl.
Okay. That is correct answer. So team 1 gets 800. Team 1, pick a category and points.
It's vitamin for 100.
Vitamins
1000.
for?
1000.
This vitamin is a cofactor for methionine synthase.
What is vitamin B12?
What is?
Vitamin B12. Cobalamin. What is cobalamin?
Right answer. So team 2 gets 1,000. You may choose the category and points again.
It's all in my genes, 200.
Down syndrome results from this chromosomal abnormality.
What is trisomy 21?
What is?
Trisomy of chromosome 21.
Repeat that one more
What
clearly.
is trisomy of chromosome number 21?
What is trisomy of chromosome 21? That is absolutely correct. Team 4 gets 200. Team 4, please choose category and points.
It's all in my gene for 400.
Give the karyotype for Klinefelter syndrome.
It's 44 plus XXY.
One more time, please.
44 plus XXY.
That is correct. Team 1 gets 400. Team 1, please choose. Team 1, please choose.
It's all my gene for 600.
Marfan syndrome results from an abnormality on this chromosome.
What is FBN1 mutation?
Repeat that.
What is FBN1? Fibrillin. What is fibrillin mutation?
What is fibrillin? I got that. I heard that now. The question was abnormality on this chromosome. So team 4 minus 600. So who was the previous team that got the right answer? Team 1, please go ahead.
I don't bleed out for 400.
For 400. Hemophilia A is a disorder of this clotting factor.
Clotting factor 8.
That is correct. Team 1 gets 400. Team 1, please choose a category and points.
Don't bleed out for 200.
Factor 7 is part of this pathway within the clotting cascade.
What is extrinsic pathway?
That is absolutely correct. Team 4 gets 200. Team 4, please choose.
Let's get technical for 200. Let's get technical for 200.
200. This type of blot is used to analyze a protein sample. Before the answers are given, make sure you are answering in the question format, please.
Western blot.
So
What is Western blot? What is Western blot used for?
that is correct. Team 1 gets 200. Team 1, please choose category and points.
Let's get technical lab techniques for 400 points.
This technique allows for visualization of a person's chromosomes and can help diagnose chromosomal imbalances. That is correct. Team 2 gets 400. Team 2, please choose category and points.
Let's get technical. 600 points. Thank you.
Name the first step of the polymerase chain reaction technique.
What is denaturation?
That is the right answer. Team 1 gets 600. Please choose a category and points, Team 1.
Let's get technical for 800 points.
This type of blot is used to analyze an RNA sample.
What is northern blot?
What is?
Northern blot. Northern blot.
That is absolutely correct. You get 800. Team 2, please choose a category and points.
Let's get technical 4,000 points.
This genome editing technique is derived from bacteria and is currently not being used clinically.
What is CRISPR-Cas9 editing technique?
What is?
CRISPR-Cas9 technique.
You got the right answer, and so you get 1,000 points, team 2. Team 2, please choose category and points.
It's all in my genes for 800 points.
DeGeorge's syndrome results in this karyotype abnormality.
What is 22q11 syndrome? Deletion. Good. What is deletion?
That is correct. Okay, you got your points of 800. Team 4, please choose a category and points.
Don't bleed out for 600.
Name the 2 intrinsic regulatory anticoagulant proteins that work to inhibit activation of factor 8.
Protein C. What is protein C and protein S?
That is the right answer. You get 600 more. Team 4, please choose category and points.
Don't bleed out for 800.
Heparin binds to this molecule to exert its anticoagulation effect.
What is thrombin?
Repeat again.
What is thrombin?
That is not the right answer. The right answer is what is antithrombin? Minus 800. Which team answered the right answer before? Describe the chromosomal abnormality that occurs in the Cri-du-Chat syndrome.
What is deletion mutation type?
What is?
What is deletion?
What is?
Deletion. Mutation. No, deletion.
Okay.
Chromosome
okay,
number
I
15.
heard it now. Okay. Decided that we can grant you the points. It has to be the complete answer. So minus 1,000. So pick a category and points again. Yeah. Team has the shortest half-life. No one? So I heard that no one buzzed in, so let's reveal the answer. What is factor 7? So let's have the points now. Go ahead, 2,800. Team 2 at 4,800. Team 3 at 1,100. Team 4 at 2,500. So these are the scores at the end of Double Jeopardy. Congratulations. So we now are moving on to the Double Jeopardy for the first year. Final Jeopardy. Oh, yep. Final Jeopardy for the first years. So may we have 4 pieces of paper handed out to each of the teams? When I open the question and I read out the question, each team can bid any amount of marks up to the max points that you have. So you will bid your points and write on one side of the sheet and your team number on the other side of the sheet. And the amount of points, you will get that amount of points added to your score. And if you lose and you get the incorrect answer, you will lose those points from your total points. Again, please write your team number on the others. And we have a 30-second timer for that. Clear? I will reveal the prompt. Timer.
We will give the category, then you can wage, okay? After you're done waging, we will repeat the question, we will tell you the question, and 30-second time will start after this question ends. Reveal the category for the question. Second step would be, all of you guys will wage your points. After that, third step would be, I will narrate the question. After I'm done completing narrating the question, the 30-second timer will start, wherein you have to write your answer. You cannot make any changes in the wager. Okay? Once the 30-second is over, we will collect the papers, and then we will discuss the answers. Is that clear? Okay. Team 1 is 2,800, Team 2 4,800, Team 3 1,100, Team 4 2,500.
No, will not. They remain the same. So I am going to reveal the question. This nerve innervates the serratus anterior muscle. The timer starts now. The timer is for 30 seconds. This nerve innervates the serratus anterior muscle. $15 seconds to go. 5 seconds. 2, and done. You may now submit your papers, please. All 4 teams got the right answer. What is long thoracic nerve? So the scores at the end of final Jeopardy: Team 1, 3,300, Team 2, 9,600, Team 3, 2,200, and Team 4, 5,500. So the first winner is Team 2 at 9,600. The second prize winner, Team 4 at 5,500, and Team 1 at 3,300. Congratulations. Well done. So a few minutes break, a 5-minute break before we start the second years. So Team 3 gets 300. Team 3, please choose category and points.
Food or just pathology, 100.
Did you say 400? 100, okay. So sometimes through the mask, it's muffled. That's why I'm repeating, yeah? Okay. You can remove your mask, just make sure you're... So repeat the category and question one more time.
Food or just pathology, 100 points.
Much better, much better. Kawasaki's disease can present with this characteristic oral finding.
What is strawberry tongue?
That is the right answer. Team 2 gets 100. Team 2, please choose category and points.
Food or just pathology, 200.
Central retinal artery occlusion, Tay-Sachs disease, and Niemann-Pick disease can all present with this ophthalmic finding.
What is cherry red spot?
That is the right answer. Team 2, please choose category and points.
Food or just pathology, 300.
Budd-Chiari syndrome can cause a mottled appearance of this organ called this.
Yeah. What is betel nut appearance?
What is?
What is betel nut?
Cannot give you the points. So team 4 minus 300. Team 1, please choose a category. One moment. Team 2? Yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead, team 2.
Food or just pathology, 400.
Inflammatory breast cancer can cause this colorful appearance grossly.
Per day orange appearance. What is per day orange appearance?
Yes, that is right answer. What is pudy orange? You are at 100 now. Team 4, please choose a category and points.
Antidotes, 400.
Benzodiazepines overdose.
What is flumazenil?
Flumazenil is the right answer. Team 3 gets 400. Team 3, 400. Team 3, please choose category and points.
Antidotes, 500.
Torsades, they point us.
What is magnesium sulfate?
That is correct. You get the points, Team 3. Team 3, please choose again.
I hope you're happy now, 100.
This category of antidepressants are considered first-line antidepressants.
What are SSRIs?
That is correct. Team 3. Team 3, please choose again. Category
I hope you're happy now, 200.
200. When taking this category of antidepressants, patients must be advised to follow a low thiamine diet.
What is the serotonin reuptake inhibitors?
That is not correct. It's MAOIs.
I think that is also correct. Anything that increases the serotonin.
Sorry, we cannot grant. Minus 200. Minus team 2. Team 3, please choose.
Autonomics, 100.
The major functions of this adrenergic receptor include vascular smooth muscle contraction, mydriasis, and intestinal and bladder sphincter muscle contraction.
What is alpha-1 receptor?
That is correct answer. Team 4 gets 100. Team 4, please choose a category and points.
Food or just pathology 500.
This autosomal recessive disease is caused by blocked degradation of branched amino acids, isoleucine, leucine, valine, due to decreased branch chain alpha keto acid dehydrogenase.
What is maple syrup urine disease?
That is the right answer. Team 3 gets 500. Team 3, please choose a category and points.
Autonomics 200.
For? 200. Some functions of this cholinergic receptor include bronchoconstriction, meiosis, insulin release, and peristalsis.
What is M3 receptor?
What is?
M3.
M3 is the right answer. Team 4 gets 200. Team 4, please choose a category and points again.
I hope you are happy now 300.
This specific tricyclic antidepressant can be used in patients with obsessive compulsive disorder.
What is fluoxetine?
That is the wrong answer. Minus 300. Team 4, please choose.
I hope you are happy now 400.
Toxicity of this antidepressant can cause priapism, postural hypotension, and sedation.
What are tricyclic antidepressants?
Incorrect answer. Team 1 minus 400.
I hope you are happy now 500.
This atypical antidepressant can also be used for smoking cessation and acts as a nicotinic ACH receptor partial agonist.
What is varenicline? Varenicline.
That is the right answer. Team 5 plus 500. Team 4 gets to choose category and points.
Autonomics 300.
The major functions of this adrenergic receptor include increased heart rate, increased contractility, increased renin release, and increased lipolysis.
What is beta 1 adrenergic receptor?
Absolutely right. The right answer. Team 3 gets 300. Team 3, you may choose.
Autonomics 400.
This category of receptors are responsible for nasal and bronchial mucus production, vascular permeability, bronchoconstriction, pruritus, and pain.
The H1 histaminergic receptors.
Repeat that one.
H1 receptor.
What are histamine receptors? So, although your answer was right, you did not put it in the question format.
I told what are H1 receptors.
So, can I get input from others? Did he say
X for 500.
Vasopressin receptor V2 causes increased water permeability and reabsorption by upregulating this in collecting tubules of the kidney.
What is aquaporin 2?
That is right. You get 500 points. So now, right, let's add the points as we move on to double jeopardy. Team 1 minus 200. Team 2 100. Team 3 2300. Team 4 at 1400. Let me see. 200, 100, 2300, 1400. Second year double jeopardy. We will add the points now.
Yeah, we are going to the second round. Please cheer up.
As we go down, the categories are let's go viral, drugs with a side of side effects, receptors, you found what in my labs. Team 1, you may choose a category and points.
Receptors for 200.
CD8 cells bind to this MHC complex.
What is MHC1?
That is correct. You add it? You add it. Team 4, please choose a category and points.
You found what in my labs? 200.
Clue cells.
What is bacterial vaginosis?
That is correct. Team 1 gets 200. It's not. Team 1, please choose, one moment, choose your category and points.
You found what in my labs for 600?
Antihistone antibodies.
It is drug-induced SLE. There is drug-induced systemic lupus erythematosus.
So team 2, you gave the answer but not in the question format.
They said I'll be given one warning. So can I get a warning first?
Please choose the category and points.
Drugs with a side effects for 200.
This type of antibiotic can cause tendinitis or tendon rupture in people over 60 years old and in patients taking prednisone.
What is fluoroquinolones?
What are fluoroquinolones? That is right answer. You get 200 points. Team 2, please choose.
You found what in my labs? 400.
Red blood cell Cas.
What is PNH or what is nephritic syndrome? There are multiple answers.
So give your answers again.
What is nephritic syndrome? What is PNH? There is paroxysmal nocturnal hemoglobinuria.
Yeah, we'll grant you the answer and the points. 400 for team 2. Team 2, please choose.
Drugs with the side effects, 400.
Class 1A and 2 antiarrhythmics as well as macrolides can cause this EKG abnormality.
What is QT prolongation?
What is?
QT prolongation.
Got it. That is the right answer. Team 1 gets 400. You choose again.
Drugs with a side effects for 600.
This cardiac medication can cause blurry yellow vision.
What is digoxin?
That is the right answer. Team 1, please choose category and points.
Let's go viral for 200.
This virus remains latent in dorsal root ganglia and can reactivate in a dermatological distribution.
What is the herpes simplex virus? What's the other name for the virus?
You said herpes simplex virus, and that is not the right answer. Team 1, please choose category and points.
Drugs with a side effects for 800.
Did you say 800? This medication can cause gray baby syndrome in premature infants because they lack the enzyme liver UDP glucuronolcyl transferase.
Chloramphenol. What is chloramphenol? Sorry for that.
Yes. What is chloramphenicol? We will grant the points. Proceed. So pick a category and points.
You found what in my labs? 800.
Glomerular basement membrane IgG deposition. We did not get any responses. So the answer is, what is good pasture syndrome? Team 2, please choose a category and points.
Let's go viral 400.
This neurotropic virus is contracted from the bite of an infected animal.
What is rabies virus?
Absolutely correct. Plus 400 for team 3. Team 3, please choose a category and points.
Receptors 400.
PCSK9 degrades this receptor, helping lower serum cholesterol.
What is the LDL receptor?
That is correct. Team 1 gets 400. Team 1, please choose a category and points.
Receptors for 600.
These are the receptors that recognize pathogen-associated molecular patterns, PAMPS, and lead to activation of NF-kB. So we did not get an answer, and the right. So it's a pass for this. That question is disregarded. Team 1, you may choose.
Let's go viral for 800.
This DNA virus presents initially as a fever and then a rash that starts at the trunk and spreads to extremities. That's a final. Okay. So since we did not get an answer, so it is, what is roseola or HHV6 virus? Team 1, category and points.
Let's go viral for 600.
This RNA virus can cause a characteristic hand, foot, and mouth disease.
What is the Coxsackie B virus?
That is correct. Team 1 gets 600. Team 1, please choose category and points.
Receptors for 800.
Nephrogenic diabetes insipidus is caused by a hereditary mutation of this receptor.
What is ADH receptor?
That is correct. Team 4 gets 800. Team 4, please choose category and points.
Drugs with side effects 1000.
Serotonin syndrome, which can be an adverse effect of antidepressants, can be treated with this medication. So the answer is cyproheptadine.
Yeah.
Team 4, please choose.
Let's go viral for 1,000.
All DNA viruses except this are double-stranded.
The hepatitis B, what is the hepatitis B virus?
What is?
What is the Hep B virus?
That is incorrect. Minus 1,000. Team 4, please choose your category and points.
You found what in my labs? 1,000.
Rhomboid birefringent crystals.
The calcium, what is the calcium phosphate crystals?
That is incorrect.
That is the pseudo-gout, right? CPPD.
Okay, we'll grant you the points.
Thank you.
Team 2, that's your final. Rhinovirus uses this receptor. So since we didn't have any buzzes, so the answer is what is ICAM, and let's see the scores at the end of Double Jeopardy for second years. Team 1 at 2,000, Team 2 at 700, Team 3, 2,700, Team 4, 2,400. So you may want to write down your scores before I take the screen off. Team 1, 2,000. Team 2, 700. Team 3, 2,700. And Team 4, 2,400. So I'm going to move on to the final Jeopardy.
So for Final Jeopardy, we are first going to mention the name of the category. The second step is you are going to wage. You cannot wage more than the number of points you have. The third, we will mention the questions. And after the question is completed, there will be a 30-second timer. You have to answer. You cannot make any changes in that wager at that time. And we will pick up your notes. Any questions?
Ma'am, we will be awarded twice the amount that we wage or the same amount that we wage?
The same. So any amount of points up till your max
Yeah,
points.
the same point we will get or the double of
Yes.
that.
So if you get a right answer, you will get the same amount of points. And if you get a wrong answer, the same amount of points will be deducted.
Okay. And if we wage some points and we didn't, means we don't write anything, so will we get negative or 0?
It's the same score.
So means I wanted to suggest here, since if the option of 0 is available, everyone will get full points. Because even if they don't know the answer, after seeing the category, they don't write anything. So even if they don't write anything, there should be the negative of the amount that they have waged.
So you will get your wager only if you get a correct answer.
Yes.
Whether if your answer is incorrect or blank is the same thing.
Means for blank, there will be negative.
Yes. You will.
For incorrect, those points will be deducted. If there is no answer, your score remains where you were at.
Yeah, that's what I am suggesting. Like, if this option is available, that we don't write anything and our scores remain same, then we will bet the whole amount. Because we don't have any fear of losing anything if we don't answer.
One more.
Whatever. If you answer incorrect answer, that wage would be deducted. And if you decide not to answer, it is the same thing as incorrect because you already waged it. Okay?
So So we will lose even if we
Yes,
don't answer.
you will lose.
Yeah.
Incorrect and blank is the same thing.
Yeah.
You
Thank
will
you.
get
Thank you.
points only if you get a correct answer. Yeah? All right, let's go ahead.
And the maximum amount that we can bet is the points that we have
That
currently.
you.
The hemorrhagic fever viruses, Marburg and Ebola, are members of which family of viruses? The hemorrhagic fever viruses, Marburg and Ebola, are members of which family of viruses? And your timer of 30 seconds starts now. Fifteen seconds. Five seconds. Done. Please submit. Make sure you have your team numbers on one side and the wager points on one side. So the answer is, what are filoviruses? Team 4 got the right answer, and Team 2 got the incorrect answer. I repeat, Team 1, Team 2, Team 4 got the right answers. Team 3 got the incorrect answer. So the scores after final Jeopardy are Team 1, 2,400, Team 2, 1,400, Team 3, 1,700, Team 4, 2,600. So Team 4 is at, yes, Team 4 is at position 1, first prize. Second is Team 1 at 2,400, and Team 3 at 1,700 is at third prize. Congratulations, well played. So we have a break before the third years. When are we reconvening? Okay, we'll get back to you. Thank you.
Founder of Heartfulness Meditations. So the talk is virtual, unfortunately, instead of live today. He's supposed to come here today. So all of you take a break, come back at 12 or 5 minutes before 12. Thank you.
Whenever it starts, it's maybe 12:15 or 12:30. So the third year and final year students should finish their lunch by 12:45 p.m. and should present at this area. So the session starts at 12. As soon as it finished, the Jeopardy starts. So please cooperate so that we can have the 2 years Jeopardy in 1 hour, because again at 2 o'clock we have another women's forum section in this same area.
Krishna Paramahansa. Each time I read Ramakrishna's Gospel, I would cry like a child. This attitude was there from very early age. But I had no solution until I came at the feet of Ramchandra of Shahjahanpur.
And thank you for being here. We have a virtual session with Daji, the spiritual master of Sahajamarg, the fourth in the lineage of Sahaj Marg. He's going to spend some time with us virtually, and it will be very enlightening to all the youngsters as well as the wiser older folks here. So please be seated and try to maintain silence and quietness so we can all have a great participation and great experience. It can be interactive. Pardon me? Yeah, okay. Yeah, maybe please put your phones on the mute, and if you need to take a call, please go outside to be respectful for the elders as well as all the youngsters. And anything else I need to say, Snehal? Yeah, please formulate some questions. Yeah, we can bring a microphone to you. I think we'll have enough microphones and people to give it to you. So formulate some good questions for yourself and any about your current experiences and your future aspirations and your past issues that you may have overcome or overcoming. And Daji will give his perspective, how to deal with life and its opportunities. And so thank you very much, and we're waiting for everybody to join, and Daji will be gracing us with his presence soon virtually. Thank you. Yeah, we'll play a video of his bio, and it will be interesting to watch and get to know him. And then he will talk to us, and we'll interact with him. And he will also talk a little bit about prevention regarding health issues and health maintenance. Thank you again.